You got to see our brand new exclusive Becker from K-Bar. Let's light it up. All right, so today we're looking at our brand new exclusive Becker from K-Bar. Now, you're going to say, oh, that looks really familiar. It is. That's because this is the BK19, the Becker Nessmuk design right here. However, the only one that anybody else has is going to be the tan version. This one is the blackout, so if you want it in black, you can only get it from us for this first year. Let's go ahead and take a look at that and see what we got going on here. So this is going to be all the same specs, all the same materials, just the blackout version here of that Becker Nessmuk fixed blade knife. Now this is a full tang fixed blade right here, featuring a 4.31 inch 1095 Cro-Van steel Nessmuk blade. It's going to be with that blackout finish. It has the textured Ultramid handle, stainless steel Torx hardware, and it's got the lanyard hole in the back end right here. It is 9.12 inches overall, weighs just 9.6 ounces, and includes this really nice MOLLE-compatible sheath right here that is injection molded right there, and also textured as well. And you're going to see Ethan Becker's signature right there on that sheath. Made in the USA, and like I said, you can only get this knife from us right here at SMKW for this first year. These are coming in at $118.95. $118.95. That is a phenomenal deal for a great outdoor fixed blade that's going to be a great design for skinning and things like that. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It's going to work phenomenal. So check out our Becker Nessmuk blackout right there. BK19, only here at SMKW, folks. As always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. And remember, stick cuts like that Becker Nessmuk blackout, then we kill.